In the today's video, we will see how to change color for any single page. As you can see here, if you wanted to change color for this picture, what we are doing, we are going for design, and here we are having one option as a page color. We are clicking on it and we are choosing color as we want. But here you can see for both pages the color is changing. But we want for one only right now. So just undo it to change color for any single page, as I am changing color for this second page. So for that, click on insert, go to shape, select rectangle and drag throughout the page as I am dragging right now, like this. After that, go to shape outline and select no outline and go to page fill and choose color whichever you want, as I am choosing this color. Now our rectangle is only visible but text is not visible right now. So just click on it, go to format, and here we have one option as a wrap text. Select it, and here we need to choose option as a behind text. So yes friends, we did it. You can see the color of picture is changed. So in this way you can also do this one. So hope this video is helpful to you. If yes, please share this video with your friends and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video.